Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with a little review on these pre-twisted passion twists that I currently have installed in my head. Now, it's been a while since I've done a hair video on my channel, and it's definitely been a while since I have done anything passion twist, spring twist, whatever related on my channel. So this video is strictly going to be a review, and I'm gonna let you guys know where I got the hair from. I did not film myself installing this hair, so I will link down below as well as in the cards one of my tutorials that I had when I first installed pre-twisted passion twist. But I did receive this hair off of Amazon from the BOHO store, so make sure you guys check the description box below for the link and all of that. But I like these. It's been a while since I've done this color in passion twist, and if I remember correctly, I have not done pre-twisted passion twist in this color, so this is my first time. So if you want to hear all about these passion twists and how much they are and all of that good stuff, then keep watching. Alright, so before I give you guys some details about the hair, I do want to show you how the hair came. So it came in this bag. There was 8 packs of pre-twisted passion twist hair in here. So it came in this big old bag, and then if you are not familiar with the packaging, each pack comes like this, and they also usually will send a crochet needle. Now also in the bag was this little card, BOHObabe homemade crochet hair, and just has a little message on the back. So again, this is from the BOHObabe store on Amazon. This is their long pre-twisted passion twist crochet hair. It's about 30 inches pre-loop. Again, there's 8 packs, and this is in the color T118. So it's kind of like a burgundy, or it's like that red mixed with black, and then at the bottom it's red. So the 30-inch 8-pack retails for $38.07 on Amazon, so very affordable. You get 8 packs for nearly $40, so that's pretty good. So they said it's lightweight, it's 2.8 ounce a pack, super soft, braided by Bohemian hair, and natural looking as well. They said it's made by a professional braider. Once again, it's pre-looped, and yeah. So I used at least 3 full packs, and I used a couple strands out of the 4-pack, but altogether, I definitely used 3 packs. Now, I can't tell you how many individual passion twists I did, because I honestly don't remember, and I did not count. I could count for you guys. We'll see when I get there. But I did part my hair straight down the middle. Then I part it across so I can do half up, half down. So yeah, the hair is definitely lightweight. And I always say this in my videos, it doesn't feel as heavy until you put it, up in a big old ponytail. Then it might, it feel heavy in this area, but for the most part, they are light. They don't feel heavy at all. So I recently had cut my hair again, so y'all have not seen it, but my hair was pretty short, but it was short enough to still be able to twist. So like I said, I will link the video down below, but if you are familiar with my technique, I usually put a rubber band individually, twist my hair, and then do whatever I need to do as far as installing the pre-twisted passion twist. And I even sometimes do that when I use the crochet hair. But I like them. They came out really cute. They are long. Again, it's about 30 inches. So I will definitely show you guys, how it looks. All right, so real quick, I want to show you guys how long they look on me. Again, they are 30 inches. I did take some pictures in my bathroom mirror, and I took some pictures in my full length mirror so you guys can really see where it stands, where the hair length is at on these passion twists. All right, so this is, I'm tiptoeing a little bit, but as y'all can see, it's like right here to my butt. So it's a really good length, really good. I like when the passion twists and stuff is really long. So yeah, if you like this particular length, I would suggest to get these if you want to get pre-twisted passion twists. Now, I did forget to show you guys how the passion twists look before installing. So again, it is pre-looped. As y'all can see, it's pre-looped. And this is how it is, pre-twisted. And at the bottom, it's twisted like this. They were definitely very easy to install. Most pre-twisted passion twists or pre-twisted spring twists, most pre-twisted hair, crochet hair is usually easy to install if you know what you're doing or what you're trying to do and all of that. So I do want to thank the company for reaching out to me and asking me to review their pre-twisted passion twist. I really do appreciate it. I want to thank them for sending me this hair. I wasn't going to use it, but I needed something to do with my hair temporarily. So I said, what the heck, let me go ahead and use this hair. So I went ahead and used it. So like I said, I do like it. The hair is soft and everything. So you guys let me know down in the comments what you think about this color, what you think about pre-twisted passion twists, all of that. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me down below. And of course, make sure you guys check out any old tutorials that I have on passion twist or even reviews and spring twist in case you are interested in purchasing hair. But that is pretty much it for this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.